The unique quality about this project was the client is planning of having a quiet dwellings, a calm space that they can spend their time in a serene environment. One of the early discussion was the idea of how we can incorporate our style, which Insigno is known as a contemporary style, mixed colors, strong textures, and energetic kind of style. And then we have to match by the request of the client of having this kind of like quiet and serene style. Moreover, Japanese style is the main topic that the clients and us are agree at the beginning of this project. My name is Adianto Salim. Together with my partner Ricky Gunakusuma, we built interior design firm based in Jakarta that called Insigno Studio. We had this privilege of leading this interior design project. Being in a city like Bandung, I think having a connection to the outdoor is something special and unique. I believe that through a few simple design strategies, we have managed to create an area that can accommodate various lifestyles from established couples, families to empty nestlers. When you're building from scratch, I think the temptation is always incorporate everything when you dream of as the budget allows. But in this case, it's always the opposite. The clients wanted a very simple dwellings that allows them to have a simple life. So obviously, a place to sleep, a place to eat, and a good coffee were the key to us. But beyond that, it's the place for family together and just to experience being growing all together. So the way we elevate the interior experience is from the craftsmanship aspect that lives in every detail of the house. We're still trying to capture the unique of Japanese design and the captivating energy of our studio style and find the balance. As you step through the doorway, you're greeted by this unique Japanese-inspired entrance known as the Gankan. The Gankan is located on the first floor, so it's the dedication space to removing shoes and as a symbolic gesture of respecting the space before you entered and a transition between the tranquility of inside and outdoors. On the second floor is where the heart of the house belongs. We are currently in the kitchen and living room area. So the concept of this room is an open space on the second floor because this one is the heart of the house. So what sets the design apart from typical American home is the kitchen spaces, which isn't too large. So reflecting a more Japanese approach, we wanted to prioritize efficiency and multifunction space. Our clients really wanted a Japanese style home. Everything is kept simple with single color tones, and then the trickiest part of this project was finding the right color tone. In fact, in interior design world, the very simple actually is not very simple. For example, like single tone design are actually the most challenging. They need to be minimal yet execute the luxury and exclusivity. The focus here is on showcasing the craftsmanship itself. So it has all to be neat, the furniture need to be neat. Speaking of the kitchen, let me show you how the slow morning happens in this house. We install Blanco sink in every kitchen, like the main pantry, wet kitchen, and also a coffee corner. Why we choose Blanco? Because Blanco is not just focusing on the product itself, but they manage to always doing a research, finding the newest color trend, newest shapes and products that can have dialogue between the products one another and also with the architectural itself. For example, what we install here in the kitchen is the chrome combined with the sink is volcano granite, following the trench, which allows more warm touch in the kitchen, and also the texture is quite honest to reflect the wabi-sabi Japanese theme. I like the proposition of the product that is installed on the kitchen island. The product size is tall, proud, and it really stands out on a room. And between one and another Blanco product, it really matches.